Museveni nĩ aracokirie maratathi. Aracokirie maratathi. Magũgĩtĩkĩrio kana magũgĩtĩkĩrio ahũranĩre gĩturwa kĩa president tamu ya mũgwanja kũrĩa Uganda.
Yes.
Gĩthurano kĩa next year Uganda.
Ngwĩciria arĩa aracokereirie maratathi okorwo you see Uganda has a history ya ukona officers marasabu ihinda iraihu mũno. Rĩu no ũkore mũndũ aracokereirie maratathi nĩ amũcokeirie mau
maita matano.
It's me again. Customer karibu.
Kũrĩa rĩ ona handũ haya gwĩtwara rĩ o maabithaa kĩama no metware arĩo.
Yes.
Magĩre maratathi.
He is the party. Na for some reason bũrũri ũcio rĩ andũ akũrũ nĩ ega no harĩ mĩaka muga rĩu mũndũ rĩ reke ingĩ rĩu consultancy level. Yes. Consultancy atuĩke rĩu nĩ wa kũheana
kĩrĩra.
Yes. Rĩu tondũ kwĩragwo kwĩ itonga athamaki. The other one is what? The warriors.
Kwĩ njamba itonga na athamaki. Athamaki tio makĩrĩ harĩa Apex.
Yes. Rĩu gũkũ ũkoraga itonga rĩ no athamaki kũrĩa na rĩmwe magatuĩka no njamba. Tondũ he mũthuri ndĩrĩa ũragĩra wa kũu Uganda gwĩciria akoretwo waziri mĩaka ta 50. Gari kana retwo atia. That man is old.
Aretwo Ali someone Ali.
Yes. Mũthuri ũcio rĩ ti wa gũtinda kũu akĩindithio muomboko.
Na arahũranĩra gĩturwa nĩ kĩa MP.
Yes. Ũcio nĩ mũthuri ũbatiĩ akaigwo handũ ũhiũ-inĩ wake akerora ng'ombe iria ciao ciahĩa ndaihu. Yes.
Agakena na magaikara hau na tũguka twake.
Nĩ akamathĩnjĩra ngoima. Ti mũmbũko wa kwĩra andũ haya.
Nacoke mathiĩ mbunge na anake mamũcinũrage.
Yes. Mũthuri nginya nĩ ona rĩu nginya afya yake nĩ ĩramũ-challenge. It's a challenge. Yes. You know you are supposed to know when to stop.
When to exit.
Yes. Tũgakĩreherwo na maratathi arehirwo ngari-inĩ thĩinĩ na ti ũru gũkũra ti mũrimũ.
Gũkũra ti mũrimũ.
Yes.
No rĩu he andũ wĩroragĩra ũkona rĩu.
Yes.
It's time to take an exit.
Gũkũ nĩ njũĩ maroraga gũkũ makamaka mũno.
Gũkũ tũthuraga nginya andũ a mĩaka 26 mbunge.
Teka wa njikũ nĩ twagathurire. Na mwanake ũrĩa ũngĩ watwĩtirie kura na burana.
Ũmwĩrĩgi. Akũrĩa igembe.
Ndĩrona Mwangi wa Kĩonjũrĩ agĩthurwo na ndahikanĩtie. Yes. Agĩthurwo kũrĩa nĩ Nanyuki.
Laikipia East.
He was single. Uganda no makĩo nĩ ũhoro ũcio mũno.
Mũno.
Ati the young people like kina Mwago. They are MPs.
Very young people etagwo atĩa women rep wa Bomet. Toto.
Yes. Even Betty is not old.
He is young.
Very young, but yes our. Rĩu no marigwo atĩrĩ. Kenyans are not serious.
You elect people at the age of 25.
Yeah, those are toddlers. You are electing toddlers.
They don't know about leadership.
Is your parliament a pediatric unit? Ito atagitha mwa kia nathari.
ECD.
Is your parliament ECD center? You are electing children. Here you cannot become MP if you are not at least 55. Ayo ndio hiyo ya retirement plan ĩkoragwo siasa.
Nĩyo retire.
Mũndũ ũngĩmera atĩ ũcoro nĩ mũndũ wĩ ushawishi.
Bana.
That is an MP.
Where?
An MP that is still hanging out with the girls like Sarasia. You cannot employ someone to be MP when he's dating. Tondũ Sarasia nĩ akĩonagwo na to baby can become unconventional sometimes. Now, how will he balance constituency duties and dating?
Majoke wewe huko ginya MP ni hayo kigina gya CDM.
Yes.
Makarigo mugioke mundu wa miaka 28.
They will drink all of that money. Makarigo no ninge wakura muno ri. Tiwe okundaga nere makororagira giti. Kenyans are very peculiar. This one is an MP.
Yes.
Yes, he's called Selassie, he's MP. Which constituency?
Mumias 60.
Elected or nominated?
Elected by the people.
Which people?
The people of Mumias.
What was his... Was his father a former MP there?
No. He is son of nobody.
He rose from where? What was the platform that he got elected on?
No, he justified.
Kenyans are peculiar. He just came from the woods and asked for election and was given.
Yes, it's democracy.
That never happens here. Young people here usually get trappings from their father. Like Mohosi. I cannot understand.
I can't.
And the American was smart. He's an elected MCA. This man looks like he was employed the other day. How many years has he served in the civil service? You see here, you don't have to serve in the civil service. Now, how do you prove he's a leader?
What is his experience?
When he talks to... You said that one is MP from Mumias
East.
When he talks to the president, does he take him seriously?
He's an elected MP.
Does he have the contract for the president? Because they are the backstops with
the president.
Yes. How many cows does he have?
He has none.
He has no livestock. Does he have broiler chicken?
No, he doesn't.
What does he rear? He's not married. He has no livestock. He has no poultry. He does not do planting or farming. What a responsibility. Does he have a girlfriend?
He could be having several.
That is neither here nor there. They cannot understand. Yeah? They can't.
They can't. Yeah, you
are saying that this one who is wearing a funny shirt, what is his name?
Which one?
This one you are saying is from Shibukia. What is his name?
Galoya.
That one?
Yes.
He's a musician.
Yes, he wants to vie for MP.
He wants to sing his way to victory.
No, he says Swapidulu.
Because there is one who has tried in our place with the music. Is he called Chaguranyi? Bobby Wine. And he has not gotten anything. This one with the turban is called who?
Kalago.
He wants to buy where?
Somewhere in Mulanga.
So you have a collection of musicians. Your politics is funny. And they get the tickets from their parties.
Yes, and they are elected by the people.
You know, around here, when we print, we never print blank certificates. They always come with a name from the print. No marabishana na sevo.
Sevo kwa hidarere main opponent wake no uria. Is none other than Bobby Wine. He is Bobby Wine is 43 years.
Yes.
7 years 82.
Yes.
He is half his age.
Ay. Oh, let's go reu. Mondo ta ata mudi ya wori. Nyareti ya giturua. Agitoero niwe marahita itarana. Why is the baby crying? Sidani amenyang'anya mtoto mnyonyi. Come here, kababa.
Who beat you?
Who pinched you?
Is the police.
Go and play with Mohosi. I will call you. Mohosi, go and play pool with Chagulanyi. So we have serious adult business here. You said you want to become what, young man?
The president.
Sorry?
The president.
Of where?
Of this country.
How?
Via ballot.
Which ballot?
People vote.
Which people?
Ugandans.
Are you importing your own Ugandans? Mundu wanje iya turia tugathi Uganda ri. Tugathi na methiki. Tusefu ndakenayo ni ithu.
Nake.
Mundu wanje iya turia turia who are these Chukuyus?
Where do they work?
So these are people from Regatha's backyard.
From Murima.
They should mind their Nyeri business.
No, they are from Mulanga.
Which Mulanga? You know, Museveni knows this country better than some of us.
A lot.
Yes. Yona mwaida thoma ira ne Nyeri kane ku.
Onake we mwene aikarite guku.
Yes.
Actually agithie agitwara kara kuria kugarura kuria arutire ri.
Base yake ari kundu guruku.
Ari guku.
Agithie na rwajora. No, young man, just relax. Which job do you want in the Serikali? President.
Yes.
You cannot look for something else.
No, I want to go for the president.
So I can give you something in the army.
No, I don't want the army.
What about Wasiri?
No, I don't want.
So I can talk to Ruto, they can absorb you. I have friends in the region. Or Suru, they can get you something. Or Kagame.
You don't enjoy na kutumbua.
He says, because I know you are hungry. So that's why you don't even shave your beards. Because the smaller music, your music and the chameleon, which one is bigger? You see? I can put you a minister for education with the people your age.